Welcome back to the channel. We're continuing our O-Level Biology 5090 journey, and currently we're on Chapter 13, Excretion. After completing Unit 13.1 on excretion, we're now moving on to Unit 13.2, which focuses on the urinary system. So, without any further delay, let's get started. So, first we have Specification 1, which asks us to identify the kidneys, ureters, bladder, and urethra on diagrams, and state the function of each. The function of the kidney should be described simply as removing urea and excess salts and water from the blood to form urine. So here, we will simply focus on identifying these parts on the diagram and understanding the basic role each one plays. Now, here you can see a labeled diagram of the human urinary system. This system is responsible for filtering the blood to remove waste products and excess water, which are then converted into urine. The urinary system consists of the kidneys, ureters, bladder, and urethra. The kidneys are bean-shaped organs that filter wastes and extra fluid from the blood. The urine formed in the kidneys then travels through the ureters to the bladder, where it is temporarily stored. Finally, urine leaves the body through the urethra. So, here the main parts shown in this urinary system diagram are the aorta, right kidney, inferior vena cava, left kidney, ureter, bladder, and urethra. Looking at the importance of these organs, each one plays a vital role in removing wastes from the body and maintaining internal balance. Together, they ensure that harmful substances are eliminated, water levels are controlled, and the chemical composition of the blood remains stable. So, the main organs of the urinary system include the kidneys, ureters, bladder, and urethra, and each has an important role to play. The kidneys are bean-shaped organs that filter the blood, removing urea along with excess salts and water in the form of urine. They also help regulate the body's water levels and maintain the correct balance of salts and other substances in the blood. The ureters are thin tubes that transport urine from the kidneys to the bladder. They move urine downward using gentle, wave-like muscular contractions known as peristalsis. The bladder is a hollow, muscular organ that stores urine until it is ready to be released. Stretch receptors in the bladder wall send signals to the brain when the bladder is full, allowing urination to be controlled. Finally, the urethra is the tube through which urine leaves the body. During urination, the muscles around the urethra relax, allowing urine to pass from the bladder to the outside of the body. So, let's sum this up with the help of the table shown here. It gives us a clear overview of each organ of the urinary system, along with its structure and function. The kidneys are two bean-shaped organs whose main job is to filter the blood. They remove urea, excess salts, and extra water, and in this way, they produce urine. The ureters are tubes that connect the kidneys to the bladder. Their function is to carry urine from the kidneys down to the bladder. The bladder is a hollow, muscular organ that stores urine until the body is ready to release it. Finally, the urethra is the tube that connects the bladder to the outside of the body. It allows urine to be expelled from the body during urination.